Hey folks, I'm Kerry O'Connor. Welcome to the Pen and Lens, and this is the 81st Radnor Hunt Races.
Travel.
I know that women jockeys and riders are becoming more popular recently, but do you still run into people who are surprised to hear that there's women riders in steeplechasing and horse racing?
We're still the minority, but I don't think that people are shocked by it. I think there's been a good bit of publicity for different girl riders, and you know, they kind of know they're out there a little bit.
So I keep on riding. Ain't no way I'm on the running high, just to keep from dying, keep from moving on. Crowds of people stuck behind, I wanna pull ahead, and so I keep on riding. Not gonna stop until my belly's filled.